Do you live in a city where contaminants like chlorine, PFAS, lead, and hard water are commonly found in water supplies? Then you need to know why the EVO Water Systems E-3000 has quickly become the best cartridge-based whole-house filter system for city water. This video will cover how the system is so effective, the benefits of a cartridge-based unit, along with the installation and maintenance requirements. You can find more info and exclusive discounts on the EVO in the description below. At Freshness, our experts have reviewed hundreds of water treatment solutions and will only recommend the very best based on our years of industry experience. Let's dive in. How does the EVO filter and softener system work? The EVO E-3000 combines the best of both worlds with the benefits of a whole house water filter and salt-free softener into one compact system, specifically designed to give you healthy and soft water from every tap in your home without the negative effects of salt and chemicals. The three-stage filtration system starts with water flowing through the premium 5-micron sediment filter. This extra-large 20-inch sediment filter will remove silt, dirt, rust, and other debris that will result in clear water and help extend the life of the carbon filter in the next stage. The high-performance catalytic activated coconut shell carbon block filter does the heavy lifting to remove chlorine and chloramine and other harmful contaminants normally found in municipal water. Its uniform pore structure increases water contact time with the carbon block to further increase the ability to address hundreds of other contaminants like volatile organic compounds, PFAS, lead, herbicides, pharmaceuticals, and more. In the third and final stage, water is conditioned in the E-Soft Media cartridge. We love this system because it will even remove existing scale buildup, unlike traditional salt-based softeners that only address future scale. But best of all, it requires no salt or chemicals, while salt-based softener systems utilize a chemical alteration process, which mixes sodium into the drinking water supply. This salt-free system is ideal for soft hair and skin, while preventing costly effects of calcium buildup on appliances. But there's actually one more addition to mention. If you have issues with bacteria or boil advisory, the EVO system can also come with a UV purifier to completely sterilize microorganisms for the safest drinking water possible. Easy installation. For a whole house filtration system, this is about as simple as it gets. No more bulky tanks that require expensive installs and take up valuable floor space. The EVOs come ready for use straight out of the box with an easy inline design. The two water in and water out connections will save you a lot of time and money. Since it's not an invasive installation process, you can easily take the system with you if you move. Additionally, the EVO is capable of being installed both inside and outside. The best part is, it includes everything you need for a wall mount install. If you run into any issues, the customer support is top-notch and can walk you through the process. Filter changes and maintenance. When it's time to replace the filters, swapping them out takes only a couple of minutes. The sediment pre-filter is able to be washed several times before replacement if your water has heavy sediment. It's recommended to replace the sediment filter and carbon filter once a year. Compare that to other cartridge options that need to be replaced every 3 to 6 months. The E-Soft softener cartridge never needs to be replaced. It's virtually maintenance-free since it uses a physical alteration process and not a chemical alteration. To save extra money, EVO Water Systems offers auto ship, which includes a 15% discount on your sediment and carbon filters, so they show up right at your doorstep. Warranty. The EVO system is built in the USA using only NSF certified components. It's backed with an industry-leading lifetime warranty plus a 120-day money-back satisfaction guarantee. System comparison. What makes the EVO so special? Let's see a quick system comparison between the EVO and traditional tank-based models. Overall, it takes less space, has a lower price point, but still checks the box on a lot of the performance metrics. Here are the pros. It removes hundreds of common city water contaminants like chlorine and chloramine. It creates soft water for skin and hair while protecting your appliances from scale buildup. It doesn't require salt, chemicals, or electricity. It has a high water flow rate of 15 gallons per minute, so there's no drop in water pressure up to 6 bathrooms. And it has easy installation with everything included. Here are the cons. The filter's replacements can add up if you have heavily contaminated water. It does not effectively remove tough contaminants like fluoride or arsenic. And it may require professional installation if you're not DIY inclined. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive freshness discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.